lathe machine. Now name of the job, plane turning. For plane turning, what type of cutting tools we use? V-type tools. Using machine parts, hand slide. After plane turning, what will be the result? Reduce the diameter. Next, number 2, name of the job, face turning. For face turning, using cutting tools, side cutting tools. Using machine parts, cross slide. Result, reduce the length. Number 3, name of the job, step turning. Using cutting tools, V-type tools and side cutting tools. V-type tools and side cutting tools. Using machine parts, hand slide and cross slide both. Result, reduce diameter step by step. Number 4, taper turning. Using cutting tools, V-type tools. Using machine parts, compound slide. Result, change the diameter along with its length. Like this, this is the figure of taper. Big diameter and small diameter. Big diameter 50, small diameter 25 and length 30. This is the picture of figure of taper. After taper turning, that's the shape. Thread cutting. Name of the job, thread cutting. Using cutting tools, thread cutting tools. Using machine parts, lead screw and half nut lever. Result, cutting inside or outside thread by lathe machine. Cutting outside or inside thread done by lathe machine. That is called thread cutting. Next, axial drill or drilling. In solid metal, whenever we want to hold the job in lathe machine, that is called drilling or axial drill. Axial drilling. Using cutting tools, drill bit. Using machine part, tail stock to make axial hole. Number 7 है boring. What is